Alright, welcome back students. We are going to look at how to do another assignment. Okay, so here we go, looking at our assignment boards, selecting Zero Hunger Design Challenge. Entering the assignment. Okay, so here we are. The goal for this week is that you will start trying to create your compost system at home and start also believing that you can create your system at home. So let's click that wand so we can interact with our board. And here we have a bell ringer. So our bell ringer asks us to read through the resource to your right here. And you want to read the entire section, including watching the video, and answer the question below using complete sentences and support from the passage. Your response should be at least 5 sentences. And our question is, how do you start designing and building a model for compost? So before we can answer that, we need to follow the instructions and look at this page. View full details. All right, so we need to read this entire passage. That's what the instructions told us to do, but I forgot. So let's look back and reread those instructions because we can. So yep, read the entire section, and there's also a video I have to watch. So reading this section, here's our video. We're going to watch it by clicking play. Then when we're done watching it, we're gonna go back. And then we're going to finish reading out this section here, and that's it. So we just have this first prompt, a video, and then a second prompt. And then I'm going to be able to go back and answer this question in 5 sentences by double-clicking and typing away in the text box. If, for whatever reason, that is a problem for you, you know what to do. You're opening up a Word document in Office 360, and you are typing your answers on that Word document, and you're going to email them to me. So we finished the bell ringer. Now we're going to go to our brainstorming activity. All right, so before we design anything, we want to do our brainstorm. So we're going to watch the videos here. We're going to answer these 2 questions. So which videos do you find most useful and why? And do you feel better about being able to complete this assignment after watching these resources? Why or why not? So we're going to double click. Oh, there we go. And you're going to select that hyperlink and you're going to click open link. And it's going to take you to a playlist that I have already designed for you on our class YouTube site. If you want to stay updated with what's going on in our class, go ahead and subscribe to that while you're here. But in the meantime, you're going to watch these videos. Okay, there's 6. If you don't want to watch all of them, maybe you just select 1 or 2. All right, 1, 2, or 3. Go through. All right, we're done with that. We've watched the video, so now we're going to answer the question. Again, you can either type them here or drop them in our Word document. And now we are going to complete the art connection, right? And you're going to, again, view details, view full details, and it's going to take you to the art connections page, and you're going to go through those activities and complete them on a separate sheet of paper or in a Word document. Another cool thing, I don't think I've mentioned this before, but it has the ability through right here for the website to read the document to you. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, we're done with that. We either uploaded our picture here or we emailed it to my email, right? And when we're done, we click submit. So that was a very fast overview about how to complete this assignment. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, please drop those concerns in the team room or send me an email.